Hi everyone, I am Bharathi Kannan. I just bought a new camera which is Insta360 1R. The most difficult part to acquire this camera was that the process of purchasing it, I purchased it from a seller who was not Amazon. It was just that, a fine day I just open up my computer and then I go into the browser and I Google the camera, and then I get the different sellers which have been listed, and then I obviously go to the most trusted option for me, which is Amazon. I open it and I find it that this camera seems to be more costlier at Amazon than another site which has been listed under Google. So I realized that maybe I should consider this option. And it says I'm a student.com. I just go to Google and again ask reviews of this place, and then I realize I don't have a lot of data on it. Just have very few places really speak about this. I found out their contact details and I found them on Google. Then I spoke to them. I found their site to be fairly good, but it still took a lot of time for me to believe that someone could give it at a cheaper price apart from what I get from Amazon. After a lot of research, I decided to purchase my camera. I got this camera more cheaper than I would get it in Amazon, and I got a genuine product. I also spoke to them and I asked them if they could give me a coupon code which you could enter and avail some discount. The coupon code would be MDBK. By entering this coupon code, you could avail some discount on your purchase with imastudent.com. I would suggest you to check out. If you find something which is good here, I would say just go ahead and buy. They are genuine, guys. Moving forward, let's see the unboxing of this camera and see how well does it work. Finally, after a wait of around 3 days, I received my Insta360 from this website called INSTA360.com. They send me an invoice to my address and all those. And it comes in a very nice box. Let me go ahead and unbox it. It slides in really slow. Oh yes, that brings up to the Insta360 camera, and so it comes in the box with the 4K mod connected to it, and it's not okay. Let me make it a little brighter. I don't know if you guys can see it. So now it's more brighter. So that's my 4K mod, and then you just pull it out. Oh wow, it really slides out smooth. Definitely a nice feeling to have a new camera which has all these options. So it's pretty simple to connect it back, and then I put it back, and then let's see what else we have. We have our the most anticipated thing what I wanted to purchase was this, the 360 mod, which would have the 360 degree camera on it. So let me experiment it sometime soon, but that's there. And then the battery pack, trust me, it looks smaller than what you see on the video, because I had been seeing a lot of Insta360 videos on the internet, but I didn't realize that this could be this small. And then we have a small box which is added here, and let me try pulling this out. It's not coming out. Yes. I need to be careful that I don't break it. So this tab is just to pull it out, and then I don't know where it opens from here. And then in the box, what do we have in the box is we have some documentations. Okay, yeah. Okay, we have some documentation here. Oh, now we have some silica gel, the dry kit, the usual dry kit which you get. Yeah. Do not throw away. Use this to plan your use in human environment. Thank you very much. Yes, that's much needed. Then you have Insta360 stickers like you get in your GoPros, and then we have our documentation and a cleaning cloth from Insta360, and then you have your quick start guide, and then what else? Yeah, a few more warranty card and stuff, which I don't think so. I really would look into sometime soon. And then you get a C-type cable, the charging cable for the camera, and then you have this pouch which would have, yes, as I expected, the carry case. The carry case is here, the case, and then it's nice quality, I suppose. Yeah, it opens up easily than your GoPro cases, is it? I have heard this from people saying, yeah, it does actually open easier than the GoPro cases. You don't have to put a lot of energy onto it. You just slide this tab on the top and it opens. And then you have your lens protectors for the 360 mod, and yeah, then you have this last packaging. I don't know what comes into it. Okay, the base, the connector base, and the screw for it. Pretty good. Yeah, it looks sweet. So let me try assembling the camera in the 4K mod initially. So it's as simple as that you just align this battery connectors to this connectors here on the camera, and then you just get it clipped in. Yeah, that's it. No, it's not. Oh shit, I don't know. I think this is how it connects. Or yeah, okay, this is what would help me pushing it in, and then it locks into place. And once I lock it into place, the camera turns on. Insta360, and then I have my language. Probably, yeah. Do you have? No, you obviously would not have Hindi as an option. You have only Chinese and other languages. And then I say yes, and yeah, so I need to connect these and see how they're gonna work. So meanwhile, oh yeah, it's on. It says no SD card. Obviously there's no SD card. And then on top you have a power button and your recording button, and then on the side you have your connectors for your USB-C and stuff. So yeah, it's a tab which is pullable, but yeah, it looks really scary because it can break anytime. Yeah. And so yeah, that's to do with our Insta360. Oh shit, I don't know how this goes in, man. Yeah, no, it doesn't go that way. So you push this in, and then yes, so that's to do with it. Yeah, so that's to do with your Insta360 unboxing. So let me try again. Yeah, turning it off, and then let me try switching to the 360 mod and see how it works. Yeah, pull this off, place this somewhere safe, and then put this back into place, and yeah, we to go. The same way of connecting it. And okay, this goes here. No, this goes this way only. Let me look at it from the front. Yes, so the connectors are here, and then yeah. It's scary, man. It's really scary. Because okay, I didn't connect the 360 mod right. You need to remember that these openings come on the base, not the other way around. Okay, there's only one way of connecting the 360 mod, that way. Okay, so yes, now they are cool. They connected in right. Yeah. So now when I put my battery and then no battery again, ulta, did I do that mistake? Yes, I did do the mistake. No, I didn't. So yeah, you got the right way. Yeah, this is the right way. But you could see that gap in between. Yeah, exactly there. Yes, I don't understand how that works, because this is supposed to be waterproof out of the box. So don't know. Let's put this in the case, because I heard again on YouTube from people that the case makes it safer. So does it really fit into the case like that? Yeah, it does. So we had connected it right. So yes, so that's to put the case into it, and yeah, we're done. So that's our Insta360 with the 360 mod, with the stickers not removed. Obviously, yes, I wanna try that again after the video to see how it works and turning it on. Yes, it's on and it makes that sound, which is odd. Again, let's go with English, and then yeah, I would do that pretty soon. Just show me what you can see, because I'm really excited to know what you can see. Yes, swipe down to access the shortcut menu. Okay, next. Okay, this is tutorial which is going on. Okay, swipe from down. Okay, next. Try to access media clarity. Okay, and then camera setting. Okay, so that's our 360 camera. Yes, that's me. And then yeah, that's nice. So this is my that's not my stage line. And so this is somewhere my stitch line is there. I don't know if it can see it right. Yeah, this is stitch line which is clearly visible. I don't know if you guys can see it. Never mind, I'll record that and I'll share it with you guys. Okay then, bye bye. Now it's my time to explore the camera and see.